In this video we are going to know how to check the torque value in screwdriver. Step 1. This yellow box is a KTM machine, which displays the toque, delivering by the tool. Step 2. This is a bolt joint, which is used to set up on the top of the KTM machine. Step 3. Bit socket is used to hold and connect the tool during torquing. Step 4. The switch of the tool is in forward direction to measure the torque producing by the tool. Step 5. The value showing on the KTM machine is the torque value producing by the tool.